All right, our third system that we're going to use to see what factors affect kinetic energy is going to look at the situation of a bungee jumper jumping off of a bridge and asking ourselves, well, how do we know how long the bungee cord is going to stretch so that the jumper knows they're not going to hit the bottom down there at the bottom? To do this, we're going to need 4 washers, 4 rubber bands, a meter stick, and a ruler, and a binder clip. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the washers and tie them with the rubber band chain and clip them with the binder clip to the top of the meter stick. This way we can drop the weights like a bungee jumper dropping off a bridge and see how far they reach to. You watch how far it goes down the meter stick and you record those distances in your data table. And the first section, we're going to also use a ruler with the 0 side down so that we can see how the height, 0 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters, affects how far it reaches. In the other part, we are going to change the number of washers. 1 washer, 2 washers, 3 washers, and 4. As you're doing this experiment, there's a couple things you want to be careful about. We want to make sure that we keep the rubber band chain the same length each time and made out of the same types of rubber bands. We want to make sure that we're paying attention to how we're letting go of the weights. Are we letting them go this way or this way? I don't know that it matters which, as long as we're doing it the same way every time. And we want to make sure that we're paying attention to whether we're measuring from the bottom of the weights to the top of the weights as we're looking at that measurement, just to make sure that we're doing it the same way each way.